To replace the battery in any smartphone with a so-called non-replaceable battery, you will need the replacement battery itself, which will cost about £15 or $12 from eBay, an iOpener Microwaveable Heat Bag, a set of plastic smartphone pry tools, a sharp razor blade or craft knife, a set of precision screwdrivers, and optionally a replacement rear cover or replacement camera cover. There are links to all the items required in the video description. To start off, make sure you're working in a flat, spacious and well-lit environment. Start by shutting down your phone and then flip it over to lie face down. Warm up your iOpener in the microwave for 60 seconds and then place it down over the bottom cover like this for about 1 minute to allow the gentle heat to soften the glue. After about a minute, remove the iOpener and use a sharp razor blade or craft knife to very gently lift up the cover. Once you have enough clearance, switch to using a soft plastic tool and slide along the bottom like this and then peel the cover away. Put the iOpener back in the microwave and repeat exactly the same process for the top cover. Once both covers are removed, this will reveal 2 screws behind the top cover and 4 screws behind the bottom cover. Some of the screws may be covered by little screw caps which can be levered off and discarded. Remove all 6 screws and then remove the SIM card tray. Next, use your pry tools to gently unclip the back to reveal the insides. The first thing you'll notice inside is a ribbon cable running over the battery which connects the motherboard up top to the daughter board down below. In order to remove this, first unscrew the metal plate to the left of the fingerprint sensor and then use a plastic pry tool to gently unclip the ribbon cable at each end. The battery is also connected using a ribbon cable, so this can be unclipped in the same way. The battery is held down with some pretty strong adhesive strips, so this next stage requires extra care and attention as you don't want to bend the battery and cause any damage which could be dangerous. Once the initial leverage has been applied to the sides, slide a credit card underneath to separate the battery from the adhesive until you're able to remove it completely. If your replacement battery doesn't come with new adhesive strips, you can just peel these ones off and place them back down ready to use with the new battery. Place down the new battery in place of the old one and connect up its ribbon cable. Then reattach the other ribbon cable between the motherboard and daughter board and replace the metal plate, being sure to clip it in place at the non-screw end first. Then reattach the phone's back and clip it into place all the way round before replacing all 6 screws. Reattach the bottom cover, and if you've also bought a new camera lens cover, remove the protective sheet before pressing that into place. Now turn your phone back on to check it boots up correctly and then give it a full charge. Please give this video a thumbs up and share it with any of your friends who could do with a new phone battery. You can subscribe to the Switched On network for free by clicking the logo which is on screen now, and feel free to check out some of our other videos too. Thanks for watching.